Why and how are we going to make networking your superpower? Well, people network for different reasons, as we've established. But when people are networking to get clients, which is particularly normal for small business owners, one of the biggest challenges they have is they're always looking and only looking for clients. Now that's okay. However, if we're only selling at everybody we meet, we have a win or a lose dynamic with every conversation. And as we've established before, if we're selling at everybody, nobody's listening. If we consider a client a golden egg, as we've said, win or lose. Instead, how about looking for people who could refer us multiple clients? People who have access to multiple people who could become our clients. And by the way, remember, we could help them as well. This then becomes a golden goose who can lay us golden eggs. Is this a more productive way of networking? Also, it's much easier because now we're going networking with a view to helping somebody else succeed as well as ourselves. And I don't know about you, but I find that a much more comfortable conversation than just selling myself. In the process of networking, we'll see later on, is you can actually develop these opportunities to find clients without selling.